Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing these beautiful nail polishes which are so cute, and it's from Kudan and they are water-based peel-off nail polishes. So this is the first time trying these nail polishes, so let's check this out. So the bottle is really cute and sleek, and it has a nice design to it. I really like it, and this is a different color. I chose 3 colors, and these are all my favorite color. This is deep chocolate brown, and I really like the handle because you can grip on the handle very well while you're applying the nail polish. Look how beautiful these colors are, and they are highly pigmented. It's a rich color and they are cream finish, no smell, no toxic, and it's completely water based. And I really like this U-shaped brush which is covers 100% in just one application. So as you can see, it covers almost 100% of my nail, and the color is so pigmented. And like I said, the handle helps you grip well, and because of the indentations. So how you like this color? Let me know in the comment box below. And this one is a deep berry color, which is X25, which is a beautiful berry purplish color. And this one is brown. This one is X15. It's a deep chocolate brown shade, and I really like it. It's a cream finish almost, and it has a glossy finish, and I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, I have a link in the description box if you like to purchase them. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.